Hey Alex, so I see you're still confused about game one. So I want to give you some tips here. It's really important as you work in online courses to develop troubleshooting skills on your end because there's always going to be a time lag uh, between the time you email me and I get back to you. I certainly, I'm happy to answer questions as they come up, but I also I'm sending you this because I think it might help you in the future working through these things on your own. Okay, so the first thing I would say to do if you're confused is go back to the original assignment and just kind of walk through the steps. So here it says, getting started. We want to download these materials. So go ahead and do the download. And let me see if I can get back here. Oh, let's see. This is where I want to go. So you download the materials. Lab 6, right? Yeah. So download the materials, unzip those files somewhere. So let's say we've done that already. We unzip those files, open them up. If you get an error message in the right-hand pane, it means you're currently blocking access to the documentation. And again, this is the kind of thing where you might, if you don't get an error message but something's wrong, you can still try the right-clicking, right? So we figured that one out anyway. We worked that one out. That you know how to get to the help information, right? And then the next thing here, it says start up the IDE and create a new project named Lab 6. So I'm going to go ahead and start up Visual C# and create a new project. And it's going to be a Windows game project. I'm going to call it Lab 6. I'll call it Lab 6 Demo because I already have a Lab 6 in that folder. And click OK. And you see right here is your Game 1 file. It comes right up. So this is the Game 1 file that I was talking about. And this is the one that you're going to have to modify. And basically, I sent you the one that was my solution to it. Okay, so and if you take a look back at the instructions, you need to add the content, right, and add you have to copy in the teddybear.cs file. And then here, where it says create and draw the teddy bears, it talks about adding two constants to the Game 1 class. The Game 1 class is the class that's in that Game 1 file. Okay, so here's the Game 1 file, and here's the Game 1 class right here. Okay, so this is where the changes are asked of you. All right, so I hope that helps. Like I said, sometimes you just need to kind of back up and think about, and maybe just look over the directions again. Maybe try restarting from scratch, and then maybe that's things will come a little bit clearer. Please, I'm always here for you to send messages and stuff, but I think the more that you can develop your troubleshooting skills on your own, the faster your turnaround time is going to be, because then you won't have to wait as much for responses from me. Okay, so I hope that helps. So, and then, you're going to be adding, you add your teddybear.cs and all your content here, of course, right? So that what you end up with is something like, let's say, bring up a more complete one. It's something like this. So you'll have the game CS file added in here. Let's see, yeah, like that, and you'll have all your teddy bear content and everything in here. Okay, so that's the story about the Game1 CS. All right, and good luck again. Don't hesitate to call, but I hope that helps you with you know future troubleshooting on your end too. Okay, all right, good luck.